안녕하세요 everyone, GM traders. Hope you are well. As for me, I'm not feeling well. I'm a little bit under the weather. Let's go on this breakdown. On Friday there was no breakdown analysis since there was no lights, and by the time they were coming it was already New York. New York session, and the market had already played out, so I never even watched the market. Looking at the weekly, we are coming into this trend line over here, and we are getting that rejection, but a little holder. We may see the continuation. We may see the further continuation of this market buying. On the daily, coming into the daily, we're seeing we formed this down zone over here, so this is more likely to hold price if we get to that rejection at that particular point. And we may see us being targeted to this area, and maybe we may react to this before we do that continuation to the upside. That's my analysis there, and hope it plays out. On the 4 hour, we are seeing that the markets are really lucrative, doing pretty much nothing. Don't have a 3-count rule, any setup whatsoever there, and yeah, we still have a long way to go. We may still continue buying since this area is free from any OB. Yeah, over to the 1 hour, we're seeing we've created a bunch of buy entries, and while the price may seem to grab up some of that liquidity in order to continue pushing to the upside. So on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, there's a strong bullish momentum, but as we switch over to the 30 minutes, we are seeing there is a break of this demand, and that indicates that it is not good, meaning the sellers are a little bit more in the market compared to the buyers. Looking over the 15 minutes, we are seeing that we are establishing a 3-count rule from this demand over here, and the close of this current candle will confirm our entry. Over to the 5 minutes, we just had a tap of that SAL, and we may as well see this market pushing to the downside. We have created a SAL entry over here, so you may have your short position at this particular point with your stop loss well above that area. We take profit. Yeah, but I'll be cautious since we are having this demand over here. So for me, I'm waiting for the market to play out a little bit, as I'm not looking for a trade right now. I've just missed this entry, and just wait for this entry to play out and see what is going to happen. But as for me, I believe the market will continue selling, giving out those pips. But we have to wait and watch out for it. So that's for the analysis. Looking at the 5 minutes, we may see this market push to the downside, taking out the sell-side liquidity of the Asian session before doing something there, creating an OB to get a support to push towards these zones, something like that. So for me, I'll be waiting for the taking out of this sell side liquidity. Also, I'll be waiting for my entry confirmation from this. I'll be over here. That's the analysis, and see you next time.